Ito yung signal box ko. So, turuan ko kayo ngayon mag debug or mag troubleshoot kung maganda ba ang reception signal niyo. So, punta kayo sa menu, tapos installation, and then for the default pin code is just 0000, and then satellite scan. So ito yung makita nyo na signal strength at signal quality. So ito yung ibig sabihin na nakasagap kayo ng signal. So I think by more than 60 or 70% magi-green na yan yung signal quality. And ito yung signal strength is yung connection nyo from your box to your LNB na nasa satellite dish. So kung zero yung signal strength, meaning walang magandang connection, at saka kung okay yung signal strength and signal quality naman yung zero, is meaning hindi siya na-align. So yun lang, dapat nasa 90 yung strength, at saka signal quality is nasa mga 70-60 above para makakuha kayo ng signal. Makakuha kayo ng mga channels. So yun lang. Thank you.